In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link columns in Monday.com using a formula column, so you can automatically connect values and calculate results inside your board. This is perfect if you want to multiply numbers like hours and rate, calculate totals, track budgets, or create dynamic fields that update automatically whenever your data changes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and customize a formula that links your columns together. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Monday.com and navigate to the board where you want to link your column values. This can be any board where you're tracking numbers, such as project costs, time tracking, sales data, or resource management. The key thing is that you already have at least 2 columns with values that you want to connect. For this example, let's say you have a column called hours and another column called rate. What we want to do is automatically calculate the total cost by multiplying hours by rate. Instead of doing this manually, we're going to use a formula column, so Monday.com does the calculation for us. To get started, go to the far right side of your board and click the plus icon to add a new column. A list of column types will appear. From this list, select Formula. Once you click Formula, Monday.com will add a new column to your board and immediately open the formula editor. Inside the formula editor, you'll see a space where you can build your formula. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a list of available columns from your board. These are the columns you can reference inside your formula. To link your columns together, you simply insert their names into the formula using curly brackets. For our example, click on the Hours column from the list so it appears in the editor as open and close curly brackets with hours inside. Then type the multiplication symbol, which is an asterisk. After that, click on the rate column so it's also added inside curly brackets. Your final formula should look like this: open curly bracket, hours, close curly bracket, space, asterisk, space, open curly bracket, rate, close curly bracket. Once your formula is set, click Apply. Immediately, you'll see the new formula column populate with calculated values for every row where hours and rate contain numbers. The powerful part about this is that the values update automatically. If you change the hours or adjust the rate, the formula result updates instantly without you needing to touch the formula column again. This is how you link column values together in Monday.com. You're essentially telling the system to reference one column and combine it with another using a mathematical operation. And multiplication is just one example. You can also use addition with a plus sign, subtraction with a minus sign, division with a forward slash, or even more advanced functions like if statements for conditional logic. For example, you could create a formula that calculates a bonus only if hours exceed a certain number, or automatically apply tax percentages to a total. The formula column is extremely flexible and is one of the best ways to automate calculations directly inside your board without needing external tools. One important thing to remember is that formula columns are read-only. That means you cannot manually type values into them. They will always display the result of the formula you created. If you need to change the outcome, you must edit the formula itself or adjust the values in the linked columns. And that's it. That's exactly how to link columns in Monday.com using a formula column. It's quick, powerful, and saves a huge amount of time by eliminating manual calculations and reducing errors across your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, automation guides, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.